We'll guide you through how to upload music to Google Drive. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to drive.google.com. Make sure you're signed in to your Google account. Once you're in, you'll see the Google Drive dashboard. Look for the New button on the left-hand side. It's usually at the top. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. Here, choose File Upload. This will open a file browser window where you can navigate to the folder containing your music files on your computer. Select the music files you want to upload by clicking on them. You can select multiple files by holding down the Ctrl key while clicking. Once you've selected the files, click Open in the file browser window. Your upload will start immediately, and you'll see a progress bar at the bottom right corner of the Google Drive interface showing the status of your upload. Depending on the size of your music files and your internet speed, this might take a few moments. Once the upload is complete, you'll see the music files appear in your Google Drive. You can organize them into folders by clicking the New button again and selecting Folder to create a new one. You can then drag and drop your music files into the folder for better organization. If you want to share your music, simply right-click on the file or folder and select Share. Enter the email of the person you want to share with and choose their access level, such as viewer or editor. Click Send to share the files. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded your music to Google Drive. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.